Hello there, my fellow budget garden warriors and DIY truth seekers. If you're someone who gets genuinely excited about turning $1 items into garden gold, believes that stunning outdoor spaces shouldn't require trust fund budgets, and knows that the most creative solutions come from everyday discount store treasures, then you've found your tribe of honest project testers. Whether you've been burned by Pinterest fails before, or you're tired of wondering which viral hacks actually work versus which ones are pure social media fantasy. Welcome to Daily Garden Fix, where we separate the Dollar Tree diamonds from the total disasters. What if I told you that over the past month, I spent exactly 120 in testing 12 of the most viral Dollar Tree garden DIYs, flooding your feeds, suffered through 3 glue gun burns, 2 minor floods, and 1 spectacular collapse, all to discover which projects actually deliver on their promises. That $3 hanging planter everyone's obsessing over. It's been thriving on my porch for 6 weeks and looks like expensive boutique garden art. Those solar light mason jar lanterns. They've transformed my backyard into magical evening paradise that makes dinner guests ask for tutorials. But that fountain made from serving trays, let's just say my patio learned what total chaos looks like. You don't need expensive garden center purchases or professional installation to create outdoor spaces that make neighbors stop and stare with envy. Just honest reviews of what actually works, realistic expectations about Dollar Tree limitations, and the satisfaction that comes from knowing you've invested your time and money wisely. Stay with me because today we're diving deep into brutal truth-telling about viral garden DIYs that will save you from wasted weekends and Pinterest disappointment. And hey, if you love discovering which budget hacks are worth your precious time versus which ones belong in the trash, smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. You absolutely cannot miss what's coming next week. I'm revealing my secret technique for making any Dollar Tree DIY look like expensive garden center quality using just spray paint and one surprising household ingredient. By the end of today's video, you'll know exactly which viral projects deserve your weekend versus which ones will leave you cursing the internet. Now let's separate the garden game changers from the complete disasters. The $3 hanging basket that broke the internet. Let's start with the project that's literally everywhere right now. Wire baskets transformed into sophisticated hanging planters that supposedly rival $50 garden center alternatives. Here's the viral promise. Grab 2 Dollar Tree wire baskets, connect with chain, add cocoa liner and boom, instant designer planter for under $5. The tutorials make it look effortless, but let me tell you the brutal reality. Assembly was a legitimate nightmare. Those wire baskets fight back harder than angry hornets. The cheap metal bends unpredictably, the coating chips with every twist, and connecting them securely requires engineering skills nobody mentioned in the 30-second videos. But here's the plot twist. After 45 minutes of battles, 3 bandages and strategic zip tie reinforcements, I created something genuinely beautiful, filled with trailing petunias and ivy, hung from my shepherd's hook. It's been absolutely stunning for 8 weeks running. The secret is managing expectations. Budget 2 hours, not 20 minutes. Buy extra baskets because you'll probably destroy one. Use heavy-duty zip ties, not just chain connections. Spray paint everything before assembly to prevent rust staining. Verdict: legitimate winner, but only if you're prepared for the real effort required. The finished product genuinely looks like expensive garden art. Solar light mason jar magic, or disaster. This one had me completely skeptical. Mason jars, fairy lights, and solar panels, creating enchanted evening garden lighting that costs under $2 per light. The transformation theory sounds perfect. Drop battery fairy lights into Dollar Tree mason jars, add decorative elements, place along pathways for magical twilight ambiance. Every garden influencer swears by this hack. Reality check time. The first attempt was absolutely gorgeous for exactly 3 nights. Then the cheap lights died, the batteries corroded, and my magical pathway became a graveyard of dead bulbs and frustration. But wait, plot twist number 2. I upgraded to Dollar Tree solar puck lights. Still only $1.25 each. Placed them in the jar bottoms, and suddenly had legitimate garden magic. They charge during the day, glow automatically at sunset, and have been performing flawlessly for 2 months. The real secret: skip the battery fairy lights completely. Solar puck lights are brighter, last longer, and require 0 maintenance. Add glass gems or colored stones for light refraction that creates stunning effects. Verdict: absolute winner with the right light source. This technique has genuinely transformed my evening garden experience. The serving tray fountain catastrophe. Oh boy, this one promised elegance but delivered chaos. The viral claim: stack serving trays with candle holders, add a mini pump and create tiered fountain magic for under 8. The assembly looks straightforward in videos. Glue trays to pedestals, run tubing through centers, add water pump, enjoy sophisticated water feature. What could go wrong? Everything. Absolutely everything went wrong. First attempt, water sprayed everywhere except where it should go. Dollar Tree serving trays are too shallow and warped, creating unpredictable spray patterns that soaked everything within 6 feet. Second attempt, added waterproof caulk around edges, adjusted angles, reinforced connections. Better. But the pump placement remained critical, and any slight adjustment meant starting over completely. Third attempt, I finally achieved gentle water flow, but maintenance was constant. Algae growth, pump clogging, water level monitoring. This simple project became a part-time job. Verdict: Pinterest fantasy meets reality disaster. Beautiful for photos, nightmare for actual use. Save your sanity and buy a real fountain. Fairy door planter whimsy versus reality. This project promised pure magic. Tiny doors attached to planters, creating enchanted garden corners that spark imagination. The materials cost under $4. Picture frame, craft sticks, paint, imagination. The build was genuinely enjoyable. Cutting miniature door shapes, painting pastel colors, creating tiny hinges. It felt like crafting childhood dreams. Hot gluing the door to a terracotta pot, surrounding with moss and miniature accessories, I created something absolutely adorable. For 48 hours it was garden perfection. Then humidity struck. Hot glue and moisture are mortal enemies. The door peeled off faster than cheap wallpaper. Round 2, waterproof adhesive, marine-grade sealant, UV-resistant paint. The rebuilt version has survived 6 weeks of weather while maintaining its whimsical charm. The real trick: treat it like outdoor furniture, not craft project. Proper adhesives, weather protection and realistic maintenance expectations turn this Pinterest dream into lasting garden joy. Verdict: absolutely worth it, with proper materials. The magic is real, but requires real weatherproofing. Crystal solar lantern brilliance. This transformation blew my mind. Dollar Tree glass vases covered in adhesive gems, fitted with solar lights, creating evening garden sparkle that rivals expensive landscape lighting. The process seemed tedious, gluing hundreds of tiny gems onto curved glass surfaces, one piece at a time. But something meditative happened during the 3-hour build. Watching the crystalline pattern emerge was genuinely satisfying. Installation night arrived with low expectations. How could $6 worth of discount materials compete with real landscape lighting? Sunset delivered the answer: pure magic. The gems refracted solar light into thousands of tiny rainbows dancing across garden surfaces. Even better, the light patterns changed throughout the evening, as the solar intensity varied. 2 months later, these lanterns remain my favorite evening garden feature. No wiring, no maintenance, just consistent beauty that charges itself daily. The upgrade secret: use outdoor adhesive, not craft glue. Choose gems in coordinating colors for sophisticated effects. Position where they receive maximum sun exposure for optimal evening performance. Verdict: legitimate garden game changer. This hack delivers exactly what it promises. Rustic ladder plant stand truth test, converting broomsticks and wooden crates into farmhouse-style tiered plant displays, seemed almost too advanced for Dollar Tree materials. The viral promise: elegant vertical gardening for under $12. Assembly revealed both Dollar Tree's limitations and possibilities. The wood quality is genuinely terrible, warped, splintery, inconsistent dimensions. But with patience, wood filler and strategic reinforcement, transformation was possible. I painted everything farmhouse white, distressed edges for authentic character, and reinforced joints with hidden screws. The result looked surprisingly professional, like something from expensive garden boutiques. Durability testing began immediately. Daily watering, plant repositioning, outdoor weather exposure. After 8 weeks, it's holding strong while displaying 12 plants beautifully. The reality: plan for significant prep work. Sand everything. Fill gaps, reinforce connection. The raw materials need serious help, but the finished product justifies the effort. Verdict: worth it for patient DIYers. Rushed assembly guarantees failure, but careful construction creates lasting garden furniture. Shoe organizer vertical garden experiment. This hack seemed brilliant in theory. Fabric shoe organizers converted to vertical growing systems for balconies and small spaces. The promise: space-saving garden magic for I filled fabric pockets with potting soil, planted herbs and small flowers, added drainage holes with a hole punch. The initial result looked surprisingly professional, a living wall that maximized growing space vertically. Reality set in within days. The fabric pockets sagged under soil weight, drainage was problematic, and plant roots had nowhere to spread. Real plants struggled while fake ones looked obviously artificial. The breakthrough came with modifications: double-layer pockets for strength, better drainage systems, and switching to air plants that require minimal soil. Suddenly the concept worked beautifully. Verdict: great idea requiring significant modification. Perfect for air plants or temporary displays, challenging for traditional gardening. Plastic bowl bird bath reality check. 2 plastic bowls, a candle holder stand, and spray paint promising elegant bird attraction for under $5. The tutorials make it look sophisticated and durable. Initial assembly was straightforward: paint bowls with stone texture finish, glue to pedestal base, fill with water. The first photos looked convincing, like real concrete garden art. Then summer heat arrived. Plastic warping began immediately, creating leaks that emptied the bath daily. The lightweight construction toppled in mild breezes, and birds ignored the obvious artificial materials. Attempt 2 used heavier bowls, reinforced adhesive, and strategic placement. Performance improved slightly, but fundamental limitations remained. Plastic simply cannot replace proper bird bath materials. Verdict: cute for photos, useless for actual bird attraction. Invest in real bird bath or skip this project entirely. Fence planter wall transformation. Converting plastic garden fencing into vertical planter displays promised space-saving garden magic with serious style potential. The viral claim: greenhouse cafe vibes for under $50. I mounted plastic fence panels, attached mini pots with zip ties, filled with trailing plants and herbs. The initial result was genuinely impressive. Vertical gardening that maximized growing space while looking professionally designed. Day 3 brought the first reality check: cheap zip ties failed under plant weight. Upgrade to metal clips solved the problem immediately. Strategic reinforcement points prevented future failures. The final system has been performing beautifully for 10 weeks. Mixed real and artificial plants create lush effects without constant maintenance. The modular design allows easy seasonal changes. Verdict: solid winner with proper reinforcement. The concept works perfectly with realistic expectations and quality fastening. Wheelbarrow planter replica success. Creating decorative wheelbarrows from toy bins, pizza pans and wooden dowels seemed impossible with Dollar Tree materials. The promise: farmhouse charm for under $80. Assembly required legitimate carpentry skills, drilling axle holes, reinforcing handle attachments, achieving proper balance. The build took 4 hours versus the promised 30 minutes. But the finished product was genuinely impressive. Painted in distressed farmhouse style filled with seasonal flowers, it looked like expensive garden boutique merchandise. The catch: it's purely decorative. Any attempt to use it functionally results in immediate collapse. But for stationary displays and photo opportunities, it delivers serious farmhouse charm. Verdict: worth it for decoration enthusiasts. Beautiful results requiring realistic expectations about functionality. Wind spinner plate sculpture. Stacking plastic plates to create spinning garden art seemed too weird to work. The viral promise: colorful movement and visual interest for under $6. Assembly was surprisingly straightforward. Drill center holes, stack with spacers, mount on garden stake with swivel hardware. The engineering actually worked perfectly. Performance testing revealed both strengths and limitations. Light plates spun beautifully in gentle breezes but became chaotic in strong winds. Heavy plates provided stability but reduced movement sensitivity. The solution: mixed weights, creating graduated spinning that works in various wind conditions. The result adds genuine visual interest and unexpected garden personality. Verdict: surprisingly effective garden art, simple concept delivering real visual impact with proper weight distribution. Beaded chandelier garden glamour. Converting embroidery hoops and plastic beads into outdoor chandeliers promised garden party elegance for under $10. The ambitious project required significant time investment. Stringing hundreds of beads in cascading patterns took 6 hours spread across multiple evenings, but watching the sparkly creation take shape was genuinely satisfying. Installation required careful balancing to prevent lopsided hanging. Solar fairy lights wrapped through the structure created evening magic that transformed ordinary garden spaces into party-ready venues. Weather testing revealed surprising durability. The plastic beads and lightweight construction survived wind, rain, and sun exposure while maintaining their glamorous appearance. Verdict: legitimate garden party game changer. Time-intensive but delivers genuine elegance for special occasions. The ultimate reality check. After 30 days of outdoor exposure testing, clear winners and losers emerged. Some projects exceeded expectations while others failed spectacularly. Top 5 legitimate winners: Decor, beauty, reinforced fence planters, practical space-saving, properly sealed fairy doors, whimsical charm that lasts, modified shoe organizer, vertical growing success, bottom 3 avoid at all costs, serving tray fountain, maintenance nightmare tufts, plastic bird bath, warps and fails quickly, unreinforced hanging baskets, safety hazard waiting to happen. The honest truth about Dollar Tree garden DIYs: success requires managing expectations, upgrading weak components, and accepting that 1.25 materials need strategic reinforcement. The viral tutorials skip crucial details about prep work, weather protection, and realistic time investment. But when done right, these projects create genuine garden magic at fraction of retail costs. The key is approaching each build as engineering challenge, not quick craft project. My bonus creation: using leftover materials, I created an original combination planter light sculpture that outperformed everything else. Sometimes the best DIYs come from creative problem solving rather than following instructions. And there you have it. The brutal truth about viral Dollar Tree garden DIYs that will save you from weekend disasters and Pinterest disappointment. But this journey isn't just about separating winners from losers. It's about understanding that creative garden magic comes from realistic expectations, proper preparation, and the willingness to modify projects for your specific needs and climate. Every successful transformation taught me that Dollar Tree materials can create legitimate garden beauty, but only when you treat them as engineering challenges rather than simple craft projects. The viral tutorials promise quick fixes, but lasting results require patience, proper adhesives, and strategic reinforcements. The real magic happens when you stop following instructions blindly and start solving problems creatively. When you upgrade the weak components, add proper weather protection, and modify designs for real-world conditions, that's when Dollar Tree materials transform into garden gold. So here's my challenge: pick one project that genuinely excited you and commit to doing it right. Budget extra time, upgrade the weak materials, and prepare for actual construction rather than quick assembly. Document your process and share the real results. Our community thrives on honest project reviews. If this video saved you from Pinterest fails, wasted weekends, give it a massive thumbs up and share it with anyone who loves budget gardening but wants real results. Smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because next week I'm revealing my secret technique for making any Dollar Tree DIY look like expensive garden center quality. The transformation will blow your mind. Until next time, keep building, keep testing, and remember, the best garden DIYs aren't about what you spend, but about the creativity and persistence you bring to forgotten materials. Happy crafting, and may your glue guns never burn your fingers.